Hello everyone, my name is Juliana Vasquez and today we're going to talk about DMT, a powerful psychedelic substance. We'll explore its history, we're going to talk about its facts, some risks, and just general information about DMT, what it is, and how it came about. So let's dive in. So what is DMT? DMT is a potent psychedelic substance that affects both the serotonin system, the brain's serotonin system. It's a tryptamine mimicking serotonin and binding to serotonin receptors. The history of DMT is that it was first synthesized in 1931 and used in traditional South American medicine. It is used by indigenous cultures for spiritual and healing purposes, and it's been used for centuries in rituals and ceremonies. In modern times, it's been synthesized and it has been used recreationally. The mechanism of action for DMT is that it primarily affects the brain's visual cortex, altering perception and thought patterns. It binds to serotonin receptors, influencing mood, cognition, and sensory processing. DMT can cause some intense visual and auditory hallucinations, altered perception, and changes in thought patterns. It can also lead to anxiety, paranoia, and increased heart rate. The nervous system impact that DMT has is that the nervous system, including the brain and the spinal cord, is responsible for processing information and controlling the body. And DMT disrupts the normal neural communication, altering perception and cognition. Some unique effects of DMT is that it's very intense, but it is also very short-lived. It can be from anywhere from like 5 to 30 minutes, and it's often referred to as a breakthrough experience or like a life-changing experience, which is why it's kind of commonly used in these traditions, or these rituals, I should say. DMT is still being researched for its potential therapeutic benefits, including anxiety, depression, PTSD treatment. It's also being researched for like addiction treatment, for spiritual growth and self-discovery. Again, that kind of goes hand in hand with the rituals that they use it in. It's for this like spiritual growth and like self-discovery sensation. And it is also being researched for its neuroplasticity and brain function that it may promote. So it's potentially benefiting cognitive function and neurological health, which is pretty interesting. The DEA schedule of DMT is a Schedule 1 controlled substance. It is considered highly regulated with high abuse potential. Some risks and concerns about DMT is that it can be very unpredictable. As I mentioned, it is a very intense drug, so it can be like a bad trip. It can potentially give somebody a bad trip. And it can also cause like overwarming due to the effects that it has. And then some of the long-term effects for DMT, the research is still ongoing, but the potential risks include persistent psychosis and hallucinogen persisting perception disorder, so HPPD. It can also increase risk of mental health issues. And an interesting fact about DMT is that though it has these side effects, it is still being researched in treating mental health conditions. And yeah, as I mentioned, very religious cultures or spiritual rituals can use it. It's been reported to have profound effects and life-changing effects. Um, in conclusion, DMT is a powerful substance with potential risks that are still being researched. So, thank you for tuning in and listening.